Have you ever searched for the best breathing technique for stress, only to discover that there are dozens of different answers? Box breathing, longer exhales, belly breathing, alternative nostril breathing. And it can actually feel overwhelming trying to find the best one for you. And the truth is that there's not one technique that is the best for everyone in every situation. Different breathing patterns influence your nervous system in different ways. And understanding when to use each one can help you feel calmer, more energized, clear, more focused, depending on what your body needs in the moment. So today we're going to explore two of the most popular breathing techniques, box breathing and longer exhales. I'll briefly explain how each one benefits you specifically, when it may be most helpful, and then guide you into a practice with that breathing technique so you can feel for yourself how it impacts you. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of which of these techniques better supports you when you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or simply in need of a reset. So let's begin with box breathing, which uses equal length inhale, holding on the inhale, exhaling an equal amount and holding on the exhale. And because each part of the breath is balanced, many people use it when they want to feel steadier, more focused, and more grounded. So it's a tool that can be helpful before you need to have a challenging conversation, maybe before a presentation or a performance, or any kind of situation where you want to remain calm while remaining alert. So I'm going to guide you through this, and if holding your breath doesn't feel comfortable today, simply skip the pauses and let yourself breathe naturally. So let's move into the box breathing. First off, make sure that you're seated in a comfortable way and where you can begin to settle in, letting your eyes close and feeling the support beneath you. Feeling your muscles begin to relax, your shoulders relaxing away from your ears. You can swallow to relax your jaw, soften through your chest, your neck. And let your breath begin to ground and settle into your belly. Just letting your breath slow down and smooth out. Now on your next inhale, you can breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Now continue at your own pace, letting your breath move in your own time. So it can feel smooth and steady without creating any tension in your body. And just noticing how soft you can be with this box breathing, how relaxed and smooth the transitions can be between your inhales, the holding, your exhales, and the holding.
Just one more time, making one more round. Whenever you're ready, you can let your breath return to normal. And notice how your body feels now. Noticing the state of your mind, the quality and pacing of your thoughts. Does your mind perhaps feel a little quieter? Do you feel steadier? Or perhaps you notice that holding your breath wasn't particularly relaxing for you today. There isn't a right or wrong answer here. Our nervous systems respond differently depending on what we're experiencing.
Now let's explore a different approach, which is lengthening your exhales. And longer exhales activate your parasympathetic nervous system. So your rest and digest functions become more active. So rather than emphasizing balance between your parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous systems, this one is focusing on downshifting you into the parasympathetic nervous system so you can soften and let go. And this one is really simple, where you can breathe in for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 6. And if 6 counts feels too long for your exhale, simply shorten it. The goal for any breath work, but especially for this one, isn't perfection, it's ease. So let's move into this.
Again, let yourself rest into the support beneath you. Let your eyes close if they aren't already. And let your breath settle into your belly, slowing down and smoothing out. And as you're ready, you can inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue in your own comfortable rhythm. And if it feels natural for you to take a longer inhale and a longer exhale, that's fine. If you need it to be shorter, that's fine. Let your body guide the breathing. And as you continue breathing with this longer exhale, imagine each exhale creating just a little more space. This can be space through your ribs, space across your chest, space within your thoughts, and space around anything that you've been carrying. Allowing your exhale to release, to let go. to relax. And just take it one more round in your own time. And whenever you're ready, you can take one final slow breath in and an even slower breath out. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm in your own time.
Now just take a moment to notice which of these breathing techniques felt most supportive for you today, right now. Did one leave you feeling calmer, more focused, more relaxed? Neither technique is universally better, because sometimes our nervous system benefits from the steadiness of box breathing, and other times it simply needs permission to slow down with longer exhales. And the more you learn to listen to your body, the easier it will be for you to choose which breath is most supportive for you based in that moment. I'd love to hear from you in the comments which of these breathing techniques felt most supportive for you. If you enjoyed this video and you haven't yet, subscribe so you continue to receive the new practices that I'm sharing every week here. In all of them, I help guide you to be able to listen to your body more based in the moment and always calming your nervous system. And if you want a few more guided practices to help regulate your nervous system through your day, you can download my free Reset Your Nervous System Starter Kit. I have it linked in the description. And these are practices to help you feel calmer, more resilient, ultimately more connected to yourself, to your body. Thanks so much for taking this time to be with me today and to focus on yourself, being in your body, and being present with your breath. I'll see you in the next video.